Wanted to share a story with you today regarding a conversation I had earlier. First-time home buyer, very nice young man, and his problem was he was not scoring very high on his credit. And it was not so much that he had bad credit, but just kind of a lack of active credit. And so I shared with him one of the easiest ways to get your credit score back up and to have some active credit is to open a secured credit card. Now, I think I've shared this with you in the past, but I thought it was really important to re-emphasize how easy this really can be. You can apply for a secured credit card, and typically you can set it up for anywhere from a $200 limit to a $500, even a $1,000 limit if you want to go that high. But quite frankly, you really don't have to go any higher than like $200 to $500. So what you'll end up doing is you'll apply for the card, and let's just say, for example, you're going to do a $500 limit. You put $500 into an account that they secure the credit card with. Then, as soon as you get the credit card, go out, make a $40 to $50 purchase, put it on the credit card, wait for the statement to cut a month later. When the statement cuts and it says now you have a minimum payment of $25 and you have a balance of $50, what I want you to do is pay off the entire $50. Now this does a couple of things. Number one, by charging no more than $50 against your $500 limit, you're keeping that percentage at 10% of the available credit. And then secondly, by paying it in full, you're not paying any interest. And so that's the best of both worlds. And then you simply just do this same process every month for the next several months. So charge $50, wait for the statement to come, pay it off. Charge another $50, wait for the statement to come, pay it off. And if you just kind of rinse, repeat, over the course of 6 to 8 months, you'll see your credit score rapidly rise. Listen, I hope you found this information helpful. And if there's anything else we can help you with, just don't hesitate to give us a call. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.